Hello, wonderful students. We are back with the very last EL Student of the Week. Wow. When we were discussing who should be the Student of the Week, we had so many great students to choose from. It was incredible. So thank you for your hard work at home. To remind you, we are featuring students who are doing their work. They're trying their best, turning in high quality work. Asking for help with email, texting, or Zoom, or calling us, and people who've shown improvement. So I can't wait to reveal who are our final students of the week. To remind you, we have already honored La Dahua and Ariam from week 1. Etty and Billy Virgilio, nice work. And all these students I'm mentioning have continued to be awesome with distance learning, so thank you. Biswadip and Haiku earned it for our 3rd week. Jet and Rohan earned it for last week. And now, are you ready, Patches? Patches is here ready to help me announce who will win this week. Are you ready? Okay. Moyo, you have been doing so awesome. I've heard you're doing great in math. You're doing your work for my social studies class. You're turning in work for science. You're doing work for English. And it is so hard to do all this work at home, and we appreciate your hard work. So Moyo, you're going to do awesome, and we are so sad that we're not going to see you because you are going to the high school next year. So we wish you all the best, and we think that you are a rock star for Student of the Week. Our other Student of the Week winner is Felicia Vang. Felicia, you have been working so hard while taking care of little kids in your house, and you've been Zooming with the teachers. You've been reaching out. There's this whole time, Felicia's like, hey, can you help me get a hold of this teacher? I want to talk to this teacher. And she's like, not quitting. She's working really hard. She's asking questions. She's consistently pushing herself and showing up when she says she's going to show up. And Felicia, we are so fortunate to get to teach you at Rams. And again, you're moving on to the high school next year. We're going to miss you so much. And I hope you will come back. You and Moyo, you have to come back to say hello to us once we are all back in person at school. That's it for Student of the Week. Thank you so much for your hard work. It's been fun to recognize students who are doing awesome, and we appreciate all your work at home over these last 10 weeks. Thank you so much, and have a great weekend.